Welcome to MotoMarket Explorer, your daily source for America's hottest classic motorcycle listings. Let's dive straight into today's rare vintage machines on the market. 1. 1936 BMW R2/5, $25,500. We begin with a true pre-war jewel, the 1936 BMW R2/5, one of the rarest surviving light-displacement BMW singles. This machine was fully restored several years ago and then kept on indoor display, preserved away from weather and fuel deterioration. The seller includes a BMW factory certificate confirming its authenticity, chassis number 96326 and engine number 14182, along with original production and delivery dates from 1936. At nearly 90 years old, the R2 Series 5 is adored for its compact engineering, hand-built precision, and unmistakable German design. With clean paint, proper documentation, and a clean title, this is not just a motorcycle, it's a museum-grade historical artifact. Local pickup only, cash in hand. Two. 1938 Indian Junior Scout, $14,000. Next is a genuine barn-find treasure, a 1938 Indian Junior Scout. This pre-war American classic remains unrestored, wearing old gold house paint over its original finish, much of which is already showing through again. The 500cc V-twin engine turns freely, but the carburetor was removed for cleaning. While it will need tires, wiring, and general recommissioning, the bike appears mostly complete aside from a few small items like the amp gauge and toolbox. Matching numbers add value, and original paint potential makes it a prime restoration candidate. It's rare to find a Junior Scout this intact after 85 years. Title not yet located. 3. 1950 AJS 18S, $6,500. From England comes the 1950 AJS 18S, a 500cc single that represents the golden age of post-war British motorcycling. This older restoration remains in excellent shape and is even a past show winner. With its classic black finish, signature AJS tank lines, and traditional suspension setup, it's a piece collectors love adding to vintage British lineups. The 18S is known for reliable power, smooth torque delivery, and outstanding mechanical simplicity. This one carries a clear Texas title, making it ready for display or weekend rides. 4. 1957 Triumph TRW500 Military, $15,000. This 1957 Triumph TRW500 is one of the rarest machines on today's list. Originally commissioned by the United Kingdom military, this bike was never actually used in service, leaving it in unusually good condition. It retains all original components except for updated fuel lines and comes with optional canvas saddlebags and dual jerry can racks. The seller says only one other example like this exists in the United States. Running, titled, and historically significant, this TRW is a unique military collectible not often seen on the open market. 5. 1977 Harley-Davidson FLH Shovelhead, $11,800. Here we have a solid 1977 Harley-Davidson FLH Electric Glide featuring the classic 74-inch Shovelhead engine paired with a 5-speed hydraulic transmission. This bike stands out with custom true dual exhaust pipes, known for producing one of the best shovelhead tones you'll ever hear. It also includes a vintage police seat, updated Dyna S electronic ignition, an S&S Super E carburetor, and a new battery. With a clean Texas title and an included batwing fairing, this FLH is ready for the road and represents one of the most iconic eras in Harley touring history. Number 6. 1975 Yamaha XS 650B, $6,500. This 1975 Yamaha XS 650B has undergone an impressive performance-oriented build. It now carries a 750cc big-bore kit with 9-to-1 pistons, new cam chain, and a fully rebuilt, properly tuned carburetor setup. Mechanically, nearly every wear item has been replaced. Clutch, springs, plates, fork seals, steering bearings, tires, brake components, regulator, sprockets, and chain. It runs clean with no oil leaks, stays stable at highway speeds, and shifts smoothly. With fewer than 1,000 miles on the upgrades and a clean Arkansas title, this XS is one of the best sorted examples you'll find. 7. 1944 Indian Chief Military, $32,500. Our next machine is a 1944 Indian Chief built for the British Army during World War II, a highly collectible wartime model. Last ridden in May 2025, it only needs light TLC to return to full strength. The bike recently entered the U.S. with all registration documents ready. Its military brown paint, rare historic origin, and wartime configuration make it incredibly desirable among collectors. These late-war Chiefs seldom appear for sale, especially in functional running condition. 8. 1941 Harley-Davidson FL Knucklehead, $44,592. Now for one of the most striking customs on the list, a 1941 Harley-Davidson Knucklehead built by industry legend Bill Dodge of Bling Cycles. Nicknamed the Nickel Knuckle, this machine blends bobber styling with dirt tracker attitude. It features a custom 74 cubic inch knucklehead engine, Harley narrow glide front end, a repurposed Indian dirt bike tank, a Ford aftermarket oil tank, custom carbon fiber wheel, and a ride-right front hub. The frame is Dodge's own design, the Bling Cycles Chopakilla, topped off with the French Kiss Customs paint job. This is a show-quality, high-pedigree custom built by one of the most respected names in American chopper culture. 9. 1965 BMW R69S, $15,000. This 1965 BMW R69S is a beautifully preserved survivor with 46,700 miles and a strong-running original engine. The R69S is among BMW's most iconic vintage models, known for its advanced Earl's Fork suspension, incredible reliability, and smooth performance. This example includes the desirable large sport tank, Euro handlebars with new cables, working horn, and original folding passenger pegs. It will need new tires, but carries a clean Texas title. As one of the most collectible BMW twins, R69S values continue to climb, making this survivor a smart buy. 10. 1972 Kawasaki H2 750 Triple, $29,900. We close with a legend, the infamous 1972 Kawasaki H2 750 Triple. Known as the Widowmaker, the H2 is one of the fastest, wildest two-stroke production bikes ever built. This example is absolutely pristine, restored by a master mechanic to better than factory condition. For the past decade, it has sat inside an office as a display piece, still dry of fuel and preserved like artwork. For collectors seeking one of the most desirable two-stroke icons in the world, this H2 is as close to perfect as it gets. Thanks for watching MotoMarket Explorer. Subscribe for next today's lineup of America's most exciting classic motorcycles for sale.